Hello friends, in my previous video I showed you how to create a beautiful background with a flower vase. Today I am going to show you how to create beautiful flowers on it. So the colors that we require for today are, just have a look at this. The colors that we require for today: sap green, leaf green. I have also used some pearl colors. These are the Fevicryl pearl colors. You can find it in any shop of your choice. See, the Fevicryl colors are appearing to be so vibrant. You can also use a normal pink color without sparkles if you want. I have also used this yellow color, cadmium white and salmon pink. So guys, let's get started. So what I'm going to do is, I have taken the brush that I have used is this round brush. I have used this brush. We are just going to grab a little bit of green color. I have also used this, see, the brush that I have used is this flat brush and this round brush. Just have a look at this. I have used these two brushes for painting flowers and leaves. First we are going to paint leaf. For this I have taken this flat brush. So let's get started friends. I am going to grab a little bit of sap green and this leaf green and a little bit of white and just get started. See friends, how beautiful this color mixing process is. At the bottom part we just need to create a thick texture, but as we come up, just taper it like this. Can you see friends how beautiful it is? Just use a little bit of sap green, white, like this. See how beautiful it is to create such beautiful stalks, which is appearing to be beautiful. Now friends, we are going to use this brush to create our flowers. For this we need to grab a little bit of pink. This is salmon pink. Mix it with this pink, any shade of pink, and white. Now this is a unique flower friends. We are just going to create this round structure to give it a flowery texture like this. Can you see friends? A round texture like this. Just around. The salmon pink and the pink color like this. We can also use a red color if we want. We can also use a little bit of yellow color like this to give it a different texture. Again we are going to create it over here. See this round structure with this pony brush that I have. Grab a little bit of white like this. Give it a round texture like this. No matter how you create it, the creation is beautiful in its own way. A little bit of white. See how beautiful it is, and a little bit of yellow like this. See how beautiful it is looking. A little bit of white again to give this round structure and a white texture like this. Can you see, friends, how beautiful it is to create such beautiful flowers, which is so unique and so beautiful to create, especially when we create it ourselves and feel so good about it. Can you see, friends, how beautiful it is looking? We are also going to create another one here. See, friends, it's so easy and simple. It's like a spiral, you know. It has a spirally look like this. Just a right stroke. I'm just going to create this beautiful flower like this. A little bit of yellow too. See how beautiful. A little bit of white in the middle part. We can just rotate our brush like this to give it a more fine texture to it. More fine texture to it. See how beautiful it is looking, guys. See this spirally look in the entire, you know, flower. It just creates a beautiful flowery look. Now what I am going to do is, we are going to give a final finishing touch to it. For this, first we are going to create the leaves. Again, we are going to grab a little bit of sap green, leaf green and white color. Mix it up like this, and then we can create few leaves like this. Right, friends? To give it a more easy peasy structure, to give it a more, you know, simple. I'm just going to give this texture to the leaves to give it a more realistic look, as if leaves are spreading here and there. I'm going to create big leaves and small leaves like this. See how I am giving this final touch up to my painting, and this final touch up creating this texture with this beautiful yellow color. Creating the beautiful stalks and the leaves on it. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to simply create few more leaves at the bottom like this, like this. Can you see, friends? And after we are done with this, we are going to give a final touch up. For this, we'll use a bit of pink color on the purple tinge. We are going to use this pink color, the shiny pink and this pink and salmon pink. So we are going to create this texture on the vase. See? To give it an ultimate finishing touch, which will give you the texture of both the purple and the pink color. We are just going to create light stroke here. Create this beautiful painting of ours. We're just going to mingle it like this to give it a more realistic look. We are also going to give the texture to this part. Then we are done. So friends, this is how painting for today. And this is a beautiful vase with beautiful flowers in it. I hope you like this video and you will definitely try it yourself and feel so good about it that you are able to do it. So friends, I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel for more such art and press on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload my videos. Thank you so much friends. Thanks all.